How to fix camera crashing issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this apps option and then scroll down and tap on camera. Now here in camera, click on this force stop option. So tap on this option and from the pop-up again tap on force stop to force stop the camera app, and after force stopping the camera app, the camera crashing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button, and from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, it will fix small software glitches like camera crashing issue. So after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue while using the camera, then the next solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on reset. Now click on reset all settings, and then again click on this reset all settings option on the bottom of your screen. So just simply tap on this option and it will reset all your mobile's setting back to factory default, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the camera crashing issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera crashing issue on your Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.